Welcome back. The show's called Brand Equity, and I'm Sonali Krishna. Using kids as adults in their communication, Happy, the boutique advertising agency, has created a signature look for Flipkart. It's a format that they've followed for quite some time. But with the latest India Wants to Know campaign, they've surprised audiences with a new coming-of-age parody of the Indian newsroom. So this week on The Final Verdict, we asked 10 leading marketers to pass their judgment and tell us if this campaign is a repetitive format or a refreshing new take. Take it away.
Welcome to India Wants to Know. Mr. Venkat, आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करते हैं?
Of course, with Flipkart. घर बैठे ऑर्डर करो, no lines, no traffic.
Talking about traffic is a conspiracy to shame the government.
Hold on to that thought. We are getting a live feed. Disturbing images.
पर ये ऑनलाइन वालों की गारंटी क्या है?
फ्लिपकार्ट की गारंटी है ना, पहले डिलीवरी फिर
She supports COD. All arrows pointed towards you, Mr. Patil.
मुद्दा प्राइसिंग का है.
Is pricing the real issue?
Flipkart पे डील्स तो देखिए नेताजी, आप भी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग को वोट देंगे.
Talking about votes is a conspiracy.
India, we have the answer.
30 years.
Let me finish. Flipkart is the new way to shop. अब सिर्फ शॉपिंग नहीं, Flipkart करो. We'll be right back.
The latest ad from Flipkart is, in my opinion, a thumbs up. What I find interesting and ambitious is the attempt to make Flipkart it synonymous with shopping online. Also continuing their use of children being cast as adults is something which people find endearing. While many may not get the fact that it's a spoof, everyone will understand that online shopping and Flipkart are intimately connected.
The new commercial, I think, gets a thumbs up from me. And the reason is because it's taken it forward in a very humorous way, in a tongue-in-cheek way, using a situation which a lot of people now associate with, a newscaster, but also great format to bring in all the perceptual barriers towards this category, towards this brand, and answer them one by one. I think this one is a winner.
I'll give the Flipkart ad a clear thumbs down. Using an Arnab Goswami debate format in a 45-second commercial makes it very noisy and very chaotic. The simple point about online shopping being more convenient than offline doesn't come across very clearly. In fact, what Flipkart has done reasonably well in the past, using children to communicate this point about shopping online is a kid's play, seems to have got lost in this entire clutter in this commercial.
So I'll give a thumbs up to the new Flipkart commercial. I think it's very interesting. One, they have continued using the children route as adults to communicate their entire message, and the way they have done it, they're very topical. They've used a dig on news channels, the way they communicate. It's also linked to the new political scenario, what's happening. Plus, they're able to bring out every single element which builds confidence in their brand.
Well, my view this time is actually a thumbs down. I think where it fails in is that there is just too much happening, just like in a talk show. And those key messaging for Flipkart in terms of their quality, in terms of their delivery, in terms of pricing, in terms of new age, modern sort of way of shopping, I think falls through. It's just too busy, too cluttered. And it may amuse and entertain in terms of looking like, a talk show on one of the English news channels. But I think the key messaging for Flipkart really doesn't come through, and it's very different from what work they've been doing so far.
I think Flipkart, first of all, it's a thumbs up. Flipkart has been entertaining us with a very standard model that they have of using children. And I think with this campaign, they've just nudged it a bit forward. They've taken this whole Arnab Goswami, and I think they've done the execution is pretty good. You look at the ad and you'll wonder who those various characters are, and you have some names in your mind. I think the production values are pretty interesting. It is funny. It is going to attract attention.
My verdict on the latest Flipkart ad is a thumbs down for two simple reasons. When Flipkart started with the creative device of children with grown-up voices, it was disruptive, clutter-making, attention-getting. At the same time, the core product benefits were clearly in the frame. But it was also charming. What I think is wrong with this one is A, the charm is gone. B, the simple creative device of just kids with adult voices and the rest of it being about Flipkart has now got layered further with this whole news channel parody business. So I worry that it's getting a little too self-indulgent, and in the bargain there's a very high risk that even the features that are being plugged so heavily on the ad will be missed by the viewer.
So my view on Flipkart's India Wants to Know is really a thumbs down. It's a very interesting commercial, it's very entertaining, very watchable, you stay glued to it. But I think the real question is, what does it tell you about Flipkart? And if you're not a Flipkart customer, does it give you something that makes you want to go there and check it out? So you get the message that Flipkart exists and that it's a new way to shop, but it really doesn't, for somebody who's not there, doesn't give that person a handle on which to go there.
It's a big thumbs up because I think the team has done exceedingly well in terms of taking a campaign idea forward with newness to the idea, freshness to the creative, and at the end of the day, it just turned Flipkart into a multi-million-dollar business.
My view for the Flipkart India Wants to Know campaign is thumbs up. Overall, it's very simple, very neat, very brightly executed campaign, and really humorous and witty also.
And with that, we're completely out of time. We hope you enjoyed the show. To take the time and drop us a line at brandequity@etnow.tv, or alternatively log on to our Facebook page. That's facebook.com/brandequity to start a conversation with us or dip into our archives. You could do the same on Twitter @brandequitylive. I'll see you next week, same time, same place. Until then, ciao, ciao.